So the Beam platform is only really useful if you import your data into it. Without any assets imported into the Beam platform, you can't really use it for asset management or service management or any of the other modules that we have. So in this video, we are going to show you how you can import an asset using our quick add functionality, which is just one of the ways you can import assets, but it's probably the easiest and quickest way you can add assets to the Beam platform. So to get started, the first thing you want to do is switch over to the import module, which you can find in the side panel on the left side of your screen. It's the last module in the list. Once you're in the import module, you'll see a list of all the previous imports that have ever been made in this workspace. In this tutorial, though, we're creating a new import. So what we are going to do is click the plus button in the top right of the screen over here. As you can see, there are three options for how you can import assets into your Beam workspace. The one that we are going over in this tutorial is Quick Add. We're going to click on Quick Add, and what's going to pop up on our screen is a way for us to search Beam's database for the 300,000 it says over here, but I think this is actually outdated. We now have over 500,000 assets. So you can search our database of 500,000 assets to import a new asset into your inventory. The first thing we're going to do is search for a manufacturer. So I'm going to look up Sony over here. Let's say I'm adding a Sony camera. Let's hit continue. Now that we've selected Sony as our manufacturer, we get a list of all of the Sony products that are currently in Beam's database. What I am going to do next is I'm going to look up the specific camera that I want to import. So it's a Z450. And I can see that the Z450 is the first result that comes up when I search Z450. So I'm going to select this asset. I can define what quantity of this asset I want to add to my inventory. So say that I bought 3 versions of the Z450. I can increase that to 3. Oh, I just realized I actually chose the sensor. I'm going to choose the actual Z450 over here, change the quantity to 3, and then click Add Asset to import the asset into my inventory. After a couple of seconds, you see the new import appear over here. It's going to go through a quick DQA process before it actually gets added to the inventory, just so that we can make sure that everything is buttoned up. And there you have it. That's the process of adding an asset to your inventory using the quick add feature.